changing customer expectations, it has become essential to deliver personalized and enhanced shopping experiences. And when it comes to choosing an enterprise e-commerce platform, the possibilities are almost endless. There are various e-commerce platforms that can meet customer needs, but it is difficult to understand which one of them would be the best choice for your business. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is a comprehensive cloud-based e-commerce platform that helps businesses create engaging shopping experiences across all channels, including mobile, social, web, and physical stores in all regions. This platform provides multi-site support, multiple languages, and multi-currency support. Want to know some of the amazing benefits of Salesforce Commerce Cloud? Believe it or not, a big majority of B2B and B2C users are still unaware of the complete list of the advantages of Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Let us now deep dive into the benefits of Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Advanced tools and technology that drives sales. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is powered by innovative technology that connects consumers and businesses like never before. With Einstein Artificial Intelligence's inception, Commerce Cloud helps brands convert e-commerce customers with highly personalized journeys seamlessly connected across channels. Responsive mobile design, one-touch payments, rich mobile experience are all built right into one platform. This feature-rich e-commerce platform makes implementation and innovation easier and faster for brands. Unique B2B e-commerce features. Salesforce B2B Commerce provides business buyers the top-notch shopping experience with the additional control and flexibility required by B2B sellers. Also, it offers automated features and access to customer data for B2B salespeople. Commerce Cloud eliminates all the needless barriers and complexity that has previously been associated with B2B e-commerce. Seamless order management. Order management and integrated extension helps businesses deliver, buy, service, and fulfill anywhere shopping experiences. Retail companies can quickly develop and manage their store applications via Commerce APIs, a standards-based development environment with Salesforce Commerce Cloud. High flexibility. Commerce Cloud flexible architecture enables businesses to develop feature-rich e-commerce websites by accelerating implementation speed while reducing setup costs. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is also advantageous for effortlessly managing product data sets for various stores without any challenges. It is also helpful for managing multiple forms of intricacies such as product availability, pricing, billing, etc. Salesforce, recognized as the world's top-ranking CRM system, supports the entire customer journey across commerce, marketing, sales, customer service, communities, and more. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is the undisputed leader in the world of customer relationship management products, services, and capabilities, especially when it comes to agility, scalability, and operations. If you are looking for expert assistance on Salesforce Commerce Cloud implementation to harness its jaw-dropping benefits, the expert Salesforce Commerce Cloud developers at Cloud Analogy would be happy to assist you.